Nah, what's up, bitches? Niggas, another trade, live trade. I'll only be posting this if I take a trade. What the fuck is going on? Okay. So yeah, I'll be only post this if I actually take a trade. I think we will though. It looks pretty good. Um, so yeah, it looks pretty good for long so far. So yeah, we're pretty bullish on 4 hour. We do the minis today as well, and we got these two New York lows. We kind of, I'm not gonna put this below. We just SMT one of these lows. So yeah, we got London high, but yeah, we got this New York lows from Friday, and then we got I think this is an Asian low. But New York, we SMT this one, the 2 p.m. one on Nasdaq. We just took it, and it looks like we're gonna take the other one eventually. And then again, we have this Asia low, and yeah, this London the target, which we kind of this is like the all-time high on ES, which is obviously not the case on Nasdaq, but yeah, we seem to be. I mean, it's pretty even on the leading to the upside part, but kind of just see what happens. Definitely want to obviously take more lows, not just go off a pre-market sweep. But yeah, market, yeah, so we're about to take it. So yeah, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't think we have news. Days, damn, it's June 1st. Oh, again, there's a 10 ISM. Okay, nothing crazy. But yeah, I have to figure out risk. Okay, bro. Fuck. All right, 768. So probably risk like 1700 and target like a 1 to 2 because I need two bands to pass. So 1768. No, I need like 2300 to pass. So yeah, I'll target like a 1.4, 1.3. And yeah, I'll probably go break even at straight one or like if, yeah, I'll probably just go break even at one and then let it ride till it hits yeah. All right, we just took this other New York low. Um Yeah, we took two New York lows. Trying to think, wait, what? Oh no, no. I need 2232 to pass, so I have to 768 times. So yeah, target on 1.3, and that should be fine. We'll figure it out once we get in the trade. Manage properly, but yeah, should be good. Should be an easy bless. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm going to the store to pick up stuff. Oh. We got a pin. Four pins today. Four pins. Alright, we're about to open. Hopefully we just come down and take this Asia. We still yet to take this New York. Yeah, hop in the 5 minute. Yeah, we got a pin test mass, HCG, and Retta. We're at 3.5 milligrams of Retta. We're almost at 4 milligrams. It's crazy. I may read it from the fridge actually. Yeah, I'm gonna piss real quick too. Pin. I'll pin this after. Crack the drink. Oh, holy shit! This would be a nice 1 minute setup, but the breaker structure and an inverse at the same time. Damn, that's a nice eye marker is open. Hopefully, we just get a dick down. Oh, my mic's on. Should be. All right, this isn't moving very well. This is a gorgeous setup, though. We take out Nasdaq. We SMT'd it. Break structure inverse. Yeah, but hopefully we just inverse this gap straight up. All right, bro. It's like, thanks. Wow, his camera setup good. Yeah. Very nice. We inverse that to get that gap. 20 yes, at least. Wow. We would take this like off, just literally off of this. We take it. Nah, I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, bro. So we got a break structure inverse reaction. If we inverse this gap, I'm gonna enter. Fuck it. We really want to target this guy. Yeah, it's crazy. Gonna be shit risk reward. Go break even here. Yeah, we're gonna go break even right. Okay. Like, hello. Thank you. Go break even right there. Perfect. Okay, brother. Thank you. Yes. So what happened? We got took these New Yorks kind of pre-market. Then we started getting a full 1 minute setup. I didn't want to take it off rip. I felt it off impulse, but then we straight up just inverse gap. I was like, fuck it, I'm entering. So we got an inverse break structure and inverses in two inverses actually, inverse, and then we got a major reaction, major buying power out of this 1 minute gap. But I was like, I don't know, I'm kind of sketched. I'm not gonna lie. And then we just inverse this gap and entered. So yeah, we were, in reality we could have entered right there, but it was literally like right off market open. I want to wait like at least a minute. This would have been a lot better risk to reward for sure. But oh my god, that would have been crazy. But let's ride it out. Yeah, 5 minutes pretty fucking bearish, but I'm not too worried about that. We're getting a fairly good reaction off the high time frame. Yeah, this was 4 hour low. Yes. Clearly, yeah, we clearly sweeping this guy. We should just be coming right back up. See how we run this, John. Let's run it, baby. See how we're gonna go break even. Should some of this. Right at this guy. This should be like right at 1 to 1. Yeah, pretty much. Discard this Johnson. Oh. Hopefully the risk is all set. I need, how much do I need? 20, like 22 something to fully pass. Yeah. You know, 22.32. So I might just like close it manually. I'm not sure. Teen Titans, go! Fuck Teen Titans, go, dude. Alright, bro, come on. In the 5 minutes looking like, yeah, not bad. Definitely want to get up here before news. I mean, it's a red folder. Could be I might have to try Twitter. Because was it Friday with that crazy candle, or I don't know. Because no, I think it was Thursday at 11:15 a.m. Candle was like a giant tick up. It was crazy. What? Mm. Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. I think I did the math really like terribly. Wait, no, I risked 1,700. I know, I'm chilling. Yeah, we're 700. I should have for 1700. um, we're like halfway right now. Yeah, I could be fairly chilling. Like around that range. We might close it manually. Honestly, realistically, we'll probably just close it manually. All right. I'm just gonna take this off. So we'll probably just close it manually. Um, which I hate doing. I fucking hate doing, but with the eval, we just kind of gotta do it right now. Be really quick with it too, and that's like super high cortisol shit. But okay, good thing we entered on this. Definitely little jumpy for sure, but I mean the setup came and I'm kind of glad I waited for the last confluence to versus final gap, which that was a little safe, but I could have easily entered off of this and we would have been out of the trade probably. Yeah, we would have been out of the trade most likely, but still that's like off the first candle market open, so I'm not even mad. I'm not mad. I didn't. It would have been nice, but I'm not mad. I did not enter. I'm glad I waited for just an extra confluence. Sometimes you just gotta wait for an extra confluence, and I'm fine with that. No big deal. Just gotta keep. We're slowly moving up. Okay, dude, I hate this computer so much. I hate this computer so much, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy that it does this shit. So I'm just gonna stay on fucking Nasdaq because Nasdaq's leading anyways. So always try to take the leading index unless it's like super choppy. I don't. I mean, if it's super choppy, odds are it's not leading, but it could be. If it's just like so drastically ahead, a bit of a retrace. What's your 5 minute look like? Are we inverse gap in the 5 minute? That's awesome, but yeah, fairly due for a retrace. Make equilibrium. Yeah, I do like the five. I do like what I do on the 1 minute. I did on the 5 minute, just like a breaker structure, um, and like equilibrium or fair value gap. But that just took way too long to form. And like by the time I would want to take a trade, it's like 10:30. I'm like, dude, fuck this. So, and I used to do this in the summer, the 1 minute shit. I always did this in the summer, just so I was so emotional. We're gonna load up our fucking syringes, bro. The alcohol swabs. Oh no. We're going back towards break. Oh, I gotta fart. Even. Yeah, I'll just start posting these regularly, just as an extra more content. Yeah, I can just yap too. So what are we gonna yap about? I'm not sure. What am I doing today? I'm hitting shoulders and arms. My fucking shoulders are sore from pinning, bro. So I gotta take a break from the delts. It's also I think my androgen receptors from the Masteron. Also I've been hitting shoulders a lot. Like I've been ripping tons of lateral raises, and I'm doing more today. So that's probably why, which I'm fine with, dude. But I definitely my shoulders look bigger from just the androgen receptors and the androgenicity of the Masteron. So I mean, shit, I'm not complaining about that, but it definitely is a little sore. Like yesterday, I was flexing them in the mirror last night. I was like, oh fuck. I was like, dude, this shit fucking hurts, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna hit I have no more potatoes. I'm not going shopping until tomorrow, so I gotta settle for more eggs and rice, which honestly I'm fine with. Eggs and rice is fire, but I had it really late last night, And like I don't know, a simple carb with like a high fat source is just it makes my stomach feel weird. So I think I'm gonna do the eggs and rice like where I usually do my oatmeal. So I'll do my chicken and rice post workout, and then my oatmeal. No, then my eggs and rice. Then my oatmeal for dinner, rather than oatmeal and then eggs and rice. Because usually I do have the eggs and potatoes, but I don't know, I felt weird last night. Just the stomach felt weird. Like slow digestion things really pair well with slow digestion things, in my opinion, rather than like slow digestion things and a fast digestion thing. It just made my stomach feel weird. It was really weird. It wasn't crazy, like I wasn't tweaking, but I mean, I just prefer, like a complex carb with like a high fat source. It just pairs a little bit better, in my opinion. Not a huge deal. Plus, I mean, eggs and rice again, still fire. Hopefully, my sister's going to Walmart and she's gonna see if they have G Hughes. She told me. I was like, okay, because I don't know why they've been out of stock at Walmart. It's been like 2 weeks. It's genuinely like it's extremely frustrating. And I had to settle for the Tex-Mex shit, and like it's not even like it's not bad. It's just like barbecue. It's just no. It's barbecue sauce. I'm not like a huge barbecue sauce guy, but like it's like it's like Tex-Mex style barbecue sauce when it's literally just barbecue sauce. So if you get it, don't expect anything crazy. And I know they have crazy sauces. They have Polynesian, which I can't find, and they have a sweet and sour sauce. So, and actually, technically, I can get sweet chili like right now at the Stop and Shop down the street from me. They also have the Polynesian, but if you guys don't know what Stop and Shop is, it's a normal grocery store with every product from like any other grocery store like Market Basket or Walmart, but they're double the price. Like G Hughes at Walmart it's like 350. At Stop and Shop it's like $7. Yeah, like literally like I don't know why people shop at Stop and Shop. It's not like it's Wegmans where it's like better quality shit. Like then yeah, you get what you pay for. But literally everything at Stop and Shop, same products as like any other generic like Publix, any other generic grocery store, but it's double the price. It's like no, like till this day, like sometimes I have to go. I like since it's down the street from me. Sometimes I'll go get something quick. Like if I need like olive oil spray, I'll get something quick. But like I'll just even walk around and just get pissed off, dude. I'm like, dude, like everything, like literally everything is double the price. I'll see something that I usually get at Market Basket. I'm like, dude, this is literally double the price. Like the blueberries, the Wyman blueberries I get, the 3 pound one at Market Basket, it's like $11. At Stop and Shop, it's like $16. That's not double, but I mean that's you get what I mean. It's like, dude, what? Like it's like what? Okay, this is shopping like crazy. But is that precision? Precision? I can't tell. I'm gonna have to do a little more. I hate being so precise with the test shit, dude. Especially with the test, I gotta be precise because I'm a high aromatizer. But either way, it doesn't make a huge difference because it's so fucking little. But that's another thing with estrogen, dude. As long as if you pen every day, you'll definitely. I mean, even if you're heavy aromatizer, you'll still like still feel like high estrogen, but it won't like you won't have crazy like a crash or crazy spike in estrogen. It'll just like gradually go up, and then you start to feel it rather than like right, which is like obviously. I mean, that's more ideal. Okay, I'd rather do a little less. Um, but yeah, I gotta get the EQ. I still haven't ordered it. The website's like still down. That's how you know the source is legit. They keep getting hacked and shit. If your source isn't getting hacked all the time, but their website's up like all the time, uh, you're probably getting scammed. Anyways, yeah. Okay, we're ripping. Yeah, we're just gonna close it manually. Damn, it's definitely gonna. It's definitely gonna be higher than 1 to 3. Fucking sucks, but because we're obviously gonna get reaction off this London high. I mean, look at that. It's clean sweep, like clean sweep. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, again, definitely took it a very early trade, but I waited waited for one more confluence. I'm glad I did one more inverse. I was like, and we gotta close above this, man. So again, we would have been out of the trade if we entered literally off the 931 candle, but I was too sketched, so I waited. I'm glad I waited, and we're slowly moving up. We'll just gotta keep slowly moving up. Um, this should be fine. I'm tripping. But yeah, once I get equipoise, dude. I am excited for that. I haven't ran my test above 140 in like a year, dude. Because I mean, last summer, bro. Like, dude, I didn't get blood work. I haven't got. I only like started getting blood work recently. I'll tell you guys that. But like last summer, um, I was running like 400 tests, bro. No blood work, and I was just ripping like Aromasin twice a week. Like just like literally just like looking at myself from like a year ago. I was like, dude, like what were you doing? And like I'm way more jacked now, and I run way less. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Like sometimes you need the proper guidance. If I did have the proper guidance when I first started test and just gym shit in general, I definitely will be farther than where I am right now. I'd probably be more jacked, but it's still like my fault. It's not, I'm not blaming like someone else's not giving me guidance. It's still my fault because I still could have done research, especially on the test on gear. I still could have done research and figured it out like how to use this shit like because like the shit I know now, especially the past like 3 or 4 months, like I know so much more than I've ever known, like ever. Like that's why I talk about it more because I just know more shit, and I understand, like especially I look back from my experience. I'm like, oh, that makes sense because this happened. Like I was such an idiot for so long running this shit, bro. Like, dude, Deca, I thought Deca was Deca. I didn't know Deca was an ester of Nandrolone. I didn't know what Nandrolone was. I didn't know Deca and NPP were the same compound, different esters. When I ran Deca, I thought Deca was just a old school bodybuilding fucking compound. I had no idea. I mean, I knew it. I knew it. It was a progestin comp, or yeah, whatever. It had prolactin issues. Your prolactin could raise that. That's all I. That's all I knew. It's literally all I knew. Good thing I didn't get Decadic. That would have been brutal. But yeah, I literally like I knew nothing for so long, like nothing. Especially what I knew now. Know now. I still have to learn way more for sure. But what I know now and looking back, I'm like, damn, like if I watch just like a few more plates more dates videos when I first started pinning, or even right like before I started pinning, I would have been so much further ahead. And that's fine. I'm fine. Like just looking back, speculating. But like definitely it would have been nice. But what's it called? Like looking back, like instead of running Deca, at most I would have just swapped it with MPP. And diet wise, I wouldn't have gone into crazy surplus because I was in such a hurry to get big. Especially the dude. I guess the kind of guidance I had. Even looking back, he was a fucking idiot. Even though he was big as shit. He was like 240 lean, and he had other proper guidance, but like he didn't give me like crazy guidance. I didn't like ask him a ton of shit anyways. But he was 240 like lean. He was running like 8 IUs of growth. He never told us his full cycle. He was always running some crazy shit. He never was fully open to us about it. He lost everything now. He lost all his size. But anyways, not trying to be a hater, but like he was like his prime was like 240 lean. I was like, damn, I gotta get to that. He was like he looked insane. And like I was like lean bulking at the time because I was scared to get fat. I was telling him about how I was eating. I was in like 400 calorie surplus. He's like, fuck it, eat 5,000 calories. I was like, okay. He's like, the Deca, like, you won't get that fat because of Deca. I was like, okay. And I ended up getting kind of fat. So, but yeah, looking back, I just run MPP and run like, just like stay at because I was at a pretty good lean bulk. I was taking my time. I got up to 3,500 calories like 3 months in. I was taking my time. I was actually making good gains. I was up like 3 or 4 pounds, but like, it was like good, solid pounds. I was making good gains. But again, at most I would have just ran MPP, but realistically I could have just ran because I was at 500 tests at the time. I went from 250 to 500. I could have just stayed at 500 and stayed on the lean bulk and just been fine. Gone blood work and figure out like my estrogen, all that shit. But I literally could have just ran 500 tests and been fine. Made great gains. Even alone before I hopped on the deck, I was running 500 tests for like 2 months. I was making great gains regardless. So, sorry, it's my client. Nice. Oh shit, I've I might check in with my client, dude. Almost forgot. But it's later than usual. So what time did he schedule? He's probably watching this. Damn nigga, you forgot. Are we getting a bit of a reversal right now? A little retrace? Yeah, we just got a really dead shop right now. Hopefully news doesn't fuck us. What time? Oh yeah, I got time. Okay, yeah, he's scheduled later. Yeah, we usually have our meeting early, like right like as I'm trading. Sometimes I forgot he's scheduled later. Or but yeah, what was I talking about? Yeah, I would just run 500 tests and been fine, like straight up. Like I would have been like more than good. I did not need a deck. And like even like I was talking about another video. Like I would run MPP the bulk again, but realistically, I wouldn't. I just don't want to deal with the side effects, even though it's not crazy. Like I don't want to deal with prolactin shit. I don't want to order Caber. Realistically, I like if I want to like actually put on size again, like in a lean bulk, main gain, like more of a lean bulk. Um, I just run high dose tests with Equipoise for my AI. Like realistically, that's all you need. Realistically. Um, Not high dose, like even like 300, maybe 400 at most. Like maybe 400 at most. But realistically like 300. Um because I mean 300 will put me in a crazy physiological state alone. And then run like I have to figure out my EQ dose. Everyone reacts differently to EQ. Some dude was just DMing me. He runs his EQ higher than test because he aromatizes so high. Because everyone's different. And like some other dude I follow, he runs 150 tests and 250 EQ or some shit like that. Was it that? So I was something like that. I was like, what? Like everyone's different. Like this is gay, but literally everyone's different. So I want to start at the 2-to-1, but at the same time, like I'm scared that I aromatize too high and I get like crazy, just like high estrogen. I get crazy water retention, and like I do want to just like start at a 1-to-1, but at the same time, I don't want to crash my E2. Maybe I'll start like a instead of like a 2-to-1, I'll do like 150 EQ and 200 tests. That might be like the perfect ratio. Okay, we're getting fucked. uh, Poopsicles. Hold on, let me look at the higher time frame. Yeah, 15 minutes still. Um, yeah, damn, the 5 minute looks like shit. We inverses gap, got a retrace, came back up, and now we're just kind of fucking around now. Hopefully news doesn't fuck us. I'd rather get back up to the break even point in case we get a massive dick. Ah, fuck. Ah, poop. Ah, fuck. Okay, whatever. Alright, yeah, let's see what happens. Damn, we were moving good too, bro. We were like slowly moving up right here, and then we get a retrace, and kind of come back up, and then we start chopping again. Then we come back up again, and then this is when we could kind of just move to the promised land. But no. Ah, fuck. Yeah, no, yeah. When I bulk again, I'm not even the bulk. It'll be like literally like a 1 to 200 calorie surplus, and we just monitor it week to week, see how to increase. But I just run like 300 tests with some EQ. Because you can run, and probably with some Masteron too, as long as Masteron doesn't affect my lips, just to stay dry. Um, yeah. Again, we have to see how I'm reacting to Masteron. I'm probably fine though. Yeah, you can stay dry and like you actually lean bulk on tests. Like people say like, oh, don't run high dose tests. Like you're gonna get super watery. I'm like, yeah, I mean that's if your E2 isn't in check for sure. But like even if you run like yeah 3, 4, 500 tests and you have your E2 in check, even if it's with like aromasin, which yeah, I mean which sucks, but even if you find a way to have it in check on a higher dose test, like you can easily stay dry. And that's why EQ's so popular, bro. You just find your EQ dose and just kind of Jesus fucking Christ. I just go to the moon. Again, never run EQ, so I mean I may be retarded, but that's my knowledge on it so far. Yeah, that's gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't ever run more than 500 tests. There's just no need. I probably won't even ever get to 500 again. Like at most, I'll do like yeah again 3 maybe 400. Um, Realistically just 300. Yeah, that's all I really need. Rather true, Todd. It's my mom's. I think I used my mom's by accident last week. I was looking at it. I'm like, oh fuck. I was like, this looks really low. And you didn't even start that long ago that I may have users by accident. But mine's a 20, and theirs is a 10, so that's just literally me being a fucking idiot. That's my sister. Yep, now watch what news happens. We might get cooked. Or we just get like a massive like Trump candle up. That'll be awesome. It's ISM. So it's not, I mean, it's red though, so it could be, we'll probably get a bit of a wick. Fuck. The fuck just happened? Oh, uh, cause, what's it called? Wait, what the fuck? Is Max Loss? I thought Max Loss was two bands, not one band. The fuck? Okay, I mean, I don't know why why did I get stopped out? Max Daily Loss is two bands. Unless it is one. It might actually be one. Yeah, that might be on me. I mean, that's fine though, because I mean, we're only down $300 like total. Um, so I mean, that's fine. Realistically, it's not a big deal. We still have like 1,800 to play. We're only down $200. We'll have $1,800 to play with. But I definitely think. I mean, maybe it saved us from more. I'm pretty sure fucking. Oh shit! I gotta check. I thought Daily Loss was two bands. Nah, I may just be wrong. At first, I thought like I I I blew the account. I was like, no way, dude. Um, I'm just gonna check. Did I get the end of day or the? I think I got the end of day. No, I got intro. Because end of day is more for fucking swing traders. All right, looks like I mean, hey, it saved us from a bigger loss. I mean, that's chill. I mean, if it goes down that far, it should. It's right there. Um, yeah, max drawdown two bands. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know why it stopped me out. It might be in the Trade of Eight settings. Oh, I think it is in the Trade of Eight settings. I think it's at one band. That might be, I mean that's fine. Today, I guess it kind of saved us, but again, um, no, I think no, that's max. Oh, max drawdown. Okay. Oh, there's no daily loss limit though. Oh, so yeah, max drawdown is like if we're down like under 4,800, then yeah, then we blow the account. But max drawdown. Okay, yeah, but there's no eval daily loss limit. That's weird. So I think it was just a trade of eight thing. But again, yeah, we still have a lot of playing room. So we're basically back at break even, pretty much. Dude, if we go back up, I'm gonna be pissed though. I'll have to check. Where's my trade of eight? I think it's a trade of eight. I'm pretty. That happened to me before. Specifically in trade of eight. So yeah, specifically in trade of eight. Fucking, there's a you can set a max loss limit. I think I'm pretty sure that happened to me in the summer. I was like, what the fuck? Um, yeah, settings. Oh, okay. We have no daily loss limit activated. Yeah, I don't know what that was then. Oh, that's freaky as fuck. Yeah, as you see, yeah, it was just a wick. Told you. Yeah, just a wick. But yeah, no, that's weird. That's really weird. But I mean, I'm not complaining. As long as you come down and like stop me out, I guess it saved me. But again, there's no max daily loss limits. That's weird. Unless it did get no, dude, because I didn't risk two bans. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I mean, we're only down $200. So hold on, we'll check exactly how much we risked. Oh, we lost. Yeah, just under a band. Um, yeah. So, which is weird because it wasn't even a band. So that's why I don't know what the fuck happened. Maybe there's no way I accidentally closed a trade. Um, yeah, guys, I don't know what happened, but we took an L. But I mean, not that big of a deal of an L. We're basically back at break even, which is fine. So yeah, I'll risk a band again tomorrow if I trade. But I don't know. That was weird. That was really weird. Um, I mean, I'm not complaining though. Definitely save me some bread. If I were to stay in the trade and I get stopped out hypothetically, um, I'd be at like whatever 1700. I'd be at like 49. I'd be yeah. So it sucks though. It was moving up really nice. Unfortunate. All good though. No big deal. Not the best ideal trade for sure. I'd rather kind of wait. Market opens, we go down, take some lows or take some highs, whatever we're looking for, and then for the setup. But setup came, I was just kind of like fuck it, and then we wait for one more confluence. And I'm glad I took this trade. I mean, I am glad I took this trade, but kind of, definitely it's better to wait. Even if I would have waited, I would have got nothing. But I'm fine. I'm definitely fine with this loss. How would I do better? That's my HCG. Did I do the Retta? What am I doing? Was that the Retta or the HCG? I think it was the HCG. I actually have no idea. I have no idea what I just did. I think it was HCG. Yeah, anyways. Wait. Yeah, no, it was but yeah, how bro, it's still like how to do better? I mean, if I were to do better, I probably just wouldn't take it at all. Especially since we didn't take any lows off of market open. So realistically, I would not take anything at all. But I did definitely take the right index because this looks like fucking dog shit. But yeah, realistically, I just have to wait just for an actual sweep because even because realistically, okay, I don't know why it's moving up now. It's kind of pissing me off. But yeah, realistically, if we did like actually open and take lows off of open, we probably would have moved up much smoother. So in that case, definitely like, or if I were to do it differently, if I were to do it differently, I would have maybe just entered off of this candle. But again, that's more off impulse. I've gotten fucked off that before, especially when I've traded 1 minutes. I because like if I would enter off of this, we would have been out of the trade. But I mean, a lot of times like off a market open, it could just go back down and take lows. So I waited because I it could have easily just come right back down. But obviously we came back up and versus this, I was like, okay, we're good. But yeah, if I were to do anything differently, I just wouldn't take it realistically. Just definitely wouldn't take it. Just be more patient. Again, I'm fine with this loss. So I'm definitely fine with this loss. But yeah, it's all good. As long as it comes down and like stops me out, because if it goes back up, I would be so pissed. That's happened to me a few times before, bro. Holy shit, that's a different feeling. That's like damn. That's like damn, bro. Well, again, I don't know why he got shocked out. I must have like I must have somehow accidentally like touched something because there's no max daily loss limit. Usually, sometimes it would be on Tradevate, but it's not the case either unless it's the wrong account. No, it's not. um, yeah, I don't know what's fucking weird. There's no max because you have it. I remember I used to set that. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Like, I literally have no idea. That is fuck. Oh, I can set a daily profit trigger though. That's awesome. I forgot I could do that. But yeah, I don't know, dude. That is really fucking weird. Really fucking weird. Um, yeah. Whatever. Dude, I don't know. That's weird. It's really weird, guys. I don't know why I did that. I'll have to figure that out. But again, I mean, hey, it saved me from something unless it goes back up and just rips TP. Then I'm gonna be kind of pissed. Yeah, it really just started shopping too, which we're moving up really nice. It's really unfortunate. shit, yeah, we gotta do 3 milligrams. Holy shit. 3 milligrams of Retta, dude. Fuck. Yeah, dude, it's actually moving them now. That's fucking brutal. That's actually, oh shit, my bad. That's actually brutal. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks. It's literally, dude. I gotta post a trade recap from like the summer because this literally happened in the summer. Where like I was literally like down, like about to get stopped out, but then it just ripped up and like hit all my TPs. It was like a 4R, had like 3 take profits and hit all of them, and I was about to like blow the eval, and it literally like it was. I gotta find that. I gotta find that clip. But it was literally like right here, and it came like it was literally like this is like textbook. It was just exactly how it was. Except like we entered like right here and immediately went to draw down. I'm like, oh, I'm fucked. And then we just like ripped back up. I gotta find that and post it. That was actually insane. I was like, holy shit, holy shit. But yeah, we got three syringes loaded up. Yeah, I mean, it probably will go up, keep going up though, because there's really no reason to go down. There's no reason to go down in the first place. So I mean, yeah, I mean, yeah, there's no reason to go. We swept these lows. Like, why else would we want to go down to take these lows out for sure? But we would have done that like off of market open, or like, or right now as we started coming down lower, we would have just taken them. So I mean, if there's no reason not to go back down now. I don't know why we went back down in the first place. Employees shift structure on the 5 minute inverses gap broke structure. So I don't know what the fuck. That is so fucking stupid. But yeah, dude, it can be weird, man. Oh, gold. What's gold look like? Nothing. Yeah, literally nothing. Literally nothing. Yeah, gold either has a really good setup or it has nothing. Like boom, 8 a.m. Yeah, no, gold literally, yeah, it has a really good setup or there's absolutely nothing. And most of the time, in my opinion, it's absolutely nothing. So, huh, so, yeah, we're just gonna hop off. It's fucking stupid. How long was this recording for? 47 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we took an L. Took an L. Might go back up and hit TP, but I don't know why I got stopped out. Again, daily loss limit I understand, but it just doesn't make sense. It doesn't really make sense. I'll have to figure that out. Hold on, but let's check one more time on the rules. See, this is the one I got. Avatar 3 intraday trail. There's no daily loss limit though. That's why I don't get. Hold on. Probably because it's intraday, honestly. I guess, yeah. I think it's just because I'm intraday. Whatever. Oh yeah, we're gonna hop off. Whatever. I'll post this later. Sorry guys, just real quick, just yeah, brutal. But I hit the TP where it was. It's super late though, so I mean it's whatever, but I definitely think it was the intraday drawdown because I think when you like reach a new peak, your your stop loss goes up or something. I don't know, dude. Cause I think I used to just get end of day. I don't think I ever got intraday, which is weird. I think that's why, which is really stupid. But yeah, because I guess I've reached a new peak. We're up early. I don't know, dude. I literally have no idea. But yeah. So yeah, we're probably gonna hit this. Just know it played out, but we took an L. Not a big deal. Don't really give a shit. But yeah, I'm gonna post this in a second.